Halloween! Don't let anybody in school tell you it's only a one-day holiday. Holidays can go as long as you want them to, and in my mind, Halloween starts the second it becomes October. So I can think of no better way to commemorate the month of Halloween than with the newest JRock Vault box. Yay! I'm super excited, but before we get to the box, we got some exposition, including what on earth is JRock Vault? Well, JRock Vault is a subscription-based service where they provide the answer to every international fan's prayers of wanting to support their favorite artist directly with merchandise that they can own and love forever, all at a very reasonable cost. The JRock Vault box, the main big box, is $78, and the mini box, if you're feeling a little frugal, is $35, but either way, you get some really cool stuff. The big box, which is what I usually get, always has a t-shirt, a single or a full album, a poster, and a bunch of other awesome goodies included. It is a seasonal box. I like to call it seasonal. They say every third month, but seasonal sounds more fun. Like this season's style is, and this season of fall, we have Chiyu! Chiyu! I like to just showcase the box too. It's very pretty and always very like high quality. I save all the boxes because I feel so bad if I throw them away. And there's also some really pretty cityscapes going on along the edges. And then the back for Chiyu. Now, if you don't recognize Chiyu just by name alone, you might recognize him from his JRock group, SuG. SuG is, or SuG was, because they disbanded. They were a really prominent JRock / Visual K group. They were a 5-member group, including Chiyu, who was the bassist, and they disbanded, I think, just under a year ago, it seems. Since then, the lead singer of SuG, Takeru, has become Sleepyhead, a solo artist who's been pretty successful in his own right, and now it's Chiyu's turn by being featured on the box. And now we actually, this is really cool because now we actually get to know him in his own right. So I can't wait to learn more about Chiyu outside of SuG and just on his own, like he's all grown up now. So let's get to the box. Here we go. Alright, so it doesn't come with, the last couple have come with some like tissue paper and stuff. This one hasn't. I was wondering why it was kind of freely rolling around a little bit. But everything still looks like it's in great condition. And of course you get a helpful info card right at the beginning that tells you all about Chiyu. You may know him from SuG or his support work for Gremlins. I forgot about that. That one's good too. But did you know he's an amazing solo artist? His mini album, 7 Deadly Sins, features Aiji from LMC, didn't know that, Tom Hack, Youth Case, Mizuki from Sadie and the 13, Jun from Gotcha-Raka, and Nika from Daoto. Wow, okay, he's been very busy. We think he's got something special and are happy to feature him in our fall edition of JRock Vault. Oh cool, they are calling it by seasons. I think that's more catchy than saying every third month. It's also got his information on the bottom, including social media. And it comes with its own lovely full picture of that picture that you just saw right there. It's kind of like a cardboard-ish, like poster board quality of it, so it's not like a kind of flimsy paper. It will last you a while, and this is a really, really nice picture of Chiyu. Alright, we have next oh, I love it when they're bubble wrapped. Boom, there we go. And we have a single. I believe it's a single because it's very, very thin. Very sleek looking. Came out in 2017. We're gonna open this and see what's inside. I believe it is just the disc. It is. Okay, so it comes with 3 songs, I'm Determined, Fingerprints, and Wonder to Oneself. And it comes in a little thing so you don't get fingerprints, haha, on the disc. That is all that's included in it, but the design is simple and clean, sorry. And just really appealing looking to the eye, and I can't wait to get to know Chiyu's music like I probably should have before doing this unboxing. But whatever, we'll go on. Next we have, stickers. I love stickers. So these look like all of Chiyu's logos, including a really cool one of his silhouette playing, I'm assuming, bass in the corner there. So that's what you get. You got 6 stickers. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but they're really pretty to look at. It's always a good thing. Next we have the poster. Are there 2 posters? Whoa! Hey, there we go. Oh. I think I got 2 posters by mistake. Oh, interesting. maybe I'll give one away. Is anybody interested in a Chiyu poster? Because I have two and they look to be the same. So look at him looking at you with smoldering eyes. How dare he do that? So there's one of him sitting down and then one of him semi-sitting crouched. It is a double-sided poster, and I think I did get two. Yeah, these are exactly the same. Not sure if that was intentional, but if anybody's interested, I really don't need two posters. Lovely a specimen as Chiyu is. So if you're interested, hit me up. I'll give it to you. Finally, we've got the t-shirt, and as I do with every single unboxing video, I must try it on. So if you excuse me. Ba-bam! Oh look, it's Chiyu! This actually feels like it might be a little bit bigger on me than the other ones, but this is a small, because I'm a small person. And every single video I've said, oh, I should try the extra small, and I haven't done that yet, so maybe this is incentive to do that. But it's super comfy, quality's on point as always, and now we got Chiyu with his smoldering face on display. Again, how dare he. And that was it! So I'm going to be very, very honest, and it might just be because Kaya was the first one, and Viva Rush had such like unique items like Chuckies and coaster that I used, but I was expecting maybe just a little bit more. The only unique item that was really in here were the stickers, so I'm not sure if it's just because Chiyu really hasn't been around as long as Viva Rush or Kaya have, but definitely overall what I got is worth the price and more that I paid for the box, but maybe you've just gotten spoiled. It's always really great to get stuff from JRock Vault because at least you're assured that the quality is always going to be consistently great. So that's a good takeaway from this. Also, getting to know Chiyu and his smoldering eyes and feeling very attacked by him just staring into my soul like that. I would say though, to any of the JRock Vault makers watching this video, hi, first of all. I'm a little confused because the website is very informative and interactive, and even still right now is interactive. They had like a Chiyu in progress sort of like updating section of their website for fans when each item got to the warehouse and everything was getting packed up and shipped, and that was a really cool way to keep fans informed. But there is no product tab anymore, so it was hard for me to try to get to know the season's box because when I press product, it takes you nowhere. It says that the IP address is not an actual IP address. So I hope you guys get that fixed soon because I actually find that as one of your most helpful things on your website. Very informative. So, but nonetheless, we did get some cool stuff, which at $78 is well worth the price for that. So we got the t-shirt, we got the stickers that I need to find places for now. We have the single, we have the big size, I guess it's like postcard size, maybe a little bit bigger. Photo card right there. Guys, I swear I'm gonna get a new camera someday. And a poster, which I think like I said, I think I was only supposed to get one of, so if anybody wants a second poster, let me know. I have it here. I don't need two, but I appreciate the thought anyway. It's JRock Vault. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, the box is $78, the mini box is $35. You're guaranteed good stuff once every 3 months. The artist is usually announced a few weeks before the box is packed and shipped and everything, once all the details between JRock Vault and the artist are all ironed out. And it is a really great way to get to know artists like I'm going to do with Chiyu. And like I did with Viva Rush, who are super amazingly awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. What did you think of this box, or what you think, in the comments below. And listen to Chiyu, and listen to Takeru/Sleepyhead, and listen to SuG while you cry because they broke up. That's a happy ending for that one. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next unboxing, but hopefully sooner. And of course, happy Halloween. Bye guys.